Good morning, guys. I've got a Mercedes, what's this? I think it's a 2.2 to a 2.3 Mercedes engine that was laying in my garage. It needed a head. I actually received the head a while back, and yeah, I had a lot of complications, so I ended up not making a video about it because it took me a while to get a lot of the things sorted out. It is together. Um, I'm gonna try and fire it up. It's going to be a cold start. It hasn't started since I assembled it. It's been a while since it's been standing. So I finally got the body here. But yeah, I'm just going to start it up for you guys, and then yeah, then I'll make the video as I pop it down into the vehicle, and yeah, I'll just give you guys an insight of what's been happening. I'm not gonna run it too long. It's not, and I don't have any water pipes or anything connected to it, so yeah, I don't want to overheat it. But it has got oil. Oil is brand new and clean. Just gonna fill up the carburetor. It's not fuel injected, and it doesn't have a fuel exhaust manifold on it, so it's gonna be loud. But anyway, so let's get to it. Alright, we got fuel. We got power. Let's see. Hey. Let me get my ears back, guys. There we go. It's running. It is loud. I don't know if you guys were able to grasp the whole concept of it running, but it is loud. Anyway, I'm gonna start getting my things ready. Sorry for the motion sickness here. I just pulled out the little pipe that I used from the gasoline bottle here, otherwise we're going to end up with a mess. Anyway, I'm going to start getting things cleared up. I have got a bus standing in my driveway, so I just need to move that. Engine overheated. Head is laying over there, if you can see it. It needs a head gasket, and then that should be up and running again. Once this is out and sorted, I want to finish that one, so I need to top it upside down. Well, not upside down, right side up, because it's upside down. Put the head back on and do a couple of things to that one. I am moving out of the place that I've got at this stage. It's a small little place. Moving to another house in, well, end February, so in 2019. So I want to get that heavy thing out and gone. I want that out and gone, so that I don't have to move with big heavy things. As you can see, my clutter has actually been cleaned up a little bit better at this stage. Sorry for all the shoddy camera work. I'm just trying to give you guys a bit of an insight. So I've been moving some of the stuff out of here. It's just the stuff that I'm still using that is around here at this stage. Oh yeah, and then obviously my Lister single cylinder diesel generator that here. The conrod was stuck in it. The guys ran it without oil when it was still at my father-in-law's place, and yeah, I managed to get it unstuck. I need to still take it apart completely, see if there's any damage, and then obviously we'll have to reassemble it and get it going. But this is for next year. Once I've moved up to the new place, that'll be my concern. It's just here because I don't have any place to stash this at the new place until Feb. So when we start moving up, I'll take that, and then I'll use my engine jack and we'll offload it that side. But for now, we are yeah, we are getting to that point of getting things out. So yeah, anyway, main concern today, or main plan for today, is to get this into the body, which is parked just uh, a house up from me. So I will be trying to get that here just now so that we can do the installation and get it done. So yeah, anyway guys, let me stop yapping. I'm talking too much, and then I'll show you as I go. Hey guys, alright, listen, I had some issues and I actually forgot to press the record button, and I've been a little bit busy with other things, but anyway, just an update. As you can see, motor's in. I still need to get that, oh gosh, I hope you can see, exhaust manifold in. There's the exhaust laying. I need to still tie up the prop shaft. This water pipe still needs to join in with the one at the bottom there. Yeah, basically, and then I need to just plumb in some fuel lines because this thing's fuel system is rotten. So I'm just gonna put a piece of pipe with a 5 liter gasoline just to temporarily get that going, and then I need to get the clutch slave cylinder together, and then I need to put the links in for the gear shifter. But other than that, she's coming together. I don't think I've shown you the, okay, well, not much of a picture, but anyway, there we are. It's an old merc, belongs to an old man. Yeah, it should be running sometime in the new year. Today is the last day of 2018, so yeah, you guys must enjoy 2019. I hope it's gonna be a fruitful year, even for myself. But anyway, let me sign off with this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. It's 2:06 already. I'm getting hungry. I want to go and get something to eat. So I'm gonna just push this one out of the way, close the garage door, and then yeah, I'll work on it again on the 2nd or on the 3rd, depending on how my work things go. And then I'll have you guys in the video, and maybe we can take it for a drive if it's safe enough. I still need to fix a brake line at the back. Do one or two things just to get it going safely for the old man anyway. So let me see if I can squeeze in a bit of a side view. Sorry for the light. It's not in the best of shape. He bought it off a guy who didn't really look after it very well. It was standing in the rain and it was not really looked after very well. As you can see, the rust, some holes, interior, except for these, doesn't look too bad. Seats can do with some love. Instrument clusters and stuff still looks quite good. Sorry for that. And then yeah, anyway, not my cup of tea. Don't really enjoy Mercedes, but some people do. So yeah, anyway guys, signing off for this one. Have a nice new year, and yeah, give me some likes and subscribe. I'm growing slowly. I've got a small channel so far, but hopefully with your support I can get more and more subscribers. Anyway guys, with this I'm signing off, and yeah, have a good one. Cheers.